Engines generate a lot of heat during normal operation, and if it isn't managed, this can lead to serious issues, even total engine failure. A well-functioning cooling system, including a properly working radiator cap, prevents overheating by maintaining system pressure and directing excess coolant to the overflow tank when needed. The radiator cap plays a critical role in your vehicle's cooling system, serving as a pressure regulator to maintain optimal system pressure as coolant heats and expands. When the engine heats up, coolant expands, and the radiator cap's safety valve releases this excess pressure by directing coolant into the overflow tank. As the engine cools, the coolant contracts, and the radiator cap's anti-vacuum valve allows coolant back into the radiator to maintain proper levels. Over time, the rubber seal on the pressure release valve can become soft or expand past its original boundaries, preventing the valve from functioning correctly. If the rubber jams or fails to release pressure, it can cause the cooling system to overpressurize, leading to costly damage in the heater core, radiator plastic tanks, or other components. Therefore, regular inspection and replacement of the radiator cap, typically every 3 to 4 years, is essential. Check the rubber seal for any signs of softness or expansion beyond the metal flange and use a pressure tester to confirm proper release function. This simple maintenance task protects vital cooling components and prevents major issues down the line. You should inspect the radiator cap regularly for signs of wear, such as a soft or expanded rubber seal. Replace the cap if you notice pressure issues, as a new cap is inexpensive and easy to install. Always choose a cap with the correct pressure rating to avoid overpressurizing the system. Checking other cooling components like hoses in the reservoir when replacing the cap can help ensure a reliable cooling system. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.